Hi
Na
everybody.
festa do
Okay,
fim
I've
de
been installing
semana,
rings,
só um rolê bom. Ela chega e
piston compressors
desencana com
without the
passo bem
help of any
passo bem
cup, ring cup. So I just installed this
passo bem
without any
Na festa do
help of a
fim de
cup.
semana,
So now let's try. So what you have to do is you have to make sure you compress
de
the rings
semana,
okay, within the same 20 feet inside. So okay,
de semana,
you compress this.
de semana, de semana. Festa do fim de semana, só um rolê bom. Ela chega e desencana com passo bem passo bem Na festa do fim de semana, semana, pana, 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 na festa do fim de semana. Pana, pana, pana.
Okay, you see it's already in. For the next, apply the same pressure. There we go. Mashallah. Cool. So you can see how you can install it like that without the help of a cup. It will take some time, yes. This is for those who don't have the cup or don't have the time to purchase one. So you can see how it's easy to do it. Yep. Thank you very much.